Assalamu alaikum grade 5. How are you all? I'm your maths teacher Zainab and today we will start new chapter. Chapter number 4, decimal and percentage. Before starting this chapter, I want to recall your previous class concepts. First, let us see the comparison between decimal and fraction. This point is known as a decimal number. Okay? To convert this decimal into fraction, when we remove this sign, it gives us 1 in a denominator. And after decimal signs के बाद जितने हमारे पास number होते हैं, we have to put 0 instead of them, and we have to write the number as it is without this point, which is known as decimal. Okay, now as you see the comparison between the decimal and the fraction, now we have to change fraction into decimal. इसके लिए we will use jumping method. How many zeros we have? We have 3 zeros. So we will take 3 jumps like 1, 2, 3. So it's 19, 1, 2 and 3, and then we will mark point on instead of 1, और जहाँ पर we have an empty space we will put 0 in there, and now we are good to do with our question. So next, decimal places. हम लोगों ने simple decimal places की थी without the point, जिसमें we have done unit, tens, hundreds and thousand. अब हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? अब हमने पॉइंट यानी डेसिमल पॉइंट के साथ करना है. सो यूनिट के बाद यहाँ पे होता है स्टार्ट टेंथ, देन उसके बाद आता है हंड्रेड, देन उसके बाद आता है थाउजेंड. सो पॉइंट के नीचे हम सिर्फ पॉइंट लगाएंगे और इसको हम लोग एज ए यूनिट रीड करेंगे, और इसको एज अ पूरा होल 42 रीड करेंगे. और जैसे ही पॉइंट के बाद हम लोग मूव करते हैं, इसको हम लोग सिंगल टर्म यानी 3. जैसे नेक्स्ट की तरफ आते हैं, इट्स 118, इसको करेंगे 0.610. इसको सिंगल टर्म पढ़ते हैं डेसिमल के बाद, और डेसिमल के बाद डेसिमल से पहले इसको कलेक्टिवली पढ़ते हैं. उसके बाद नाउ on page number 55 we have, let us recall, these are the oldest concept you have done in grade 4. So उससे सबसे पहले they said that we have to complete the table. In this what we have to do, we have to change fraction into decimal and decimals into fraction. So I think it's easy for us, you are master in it. So let's start part 1. So how many zeros we have? 2 zeros. It means we have to take 2 jumps. How? So 1 jump, 2 jump and point. So जहाँ पर हमारा empty space है, we will put 0 there like this. Now behalf of 1 we have already put the decimal, now we put 0. So we're good to do with our answer. So next is this is fraction 2 and we have to change it in decimal. So how? We have 1 0, so we only need 1 jump. So 2, so on behalf of 1 we will write point and 0. So done. So now we have decimal places. As I told you before, in the place of decimal we have to put 1. So we will place 1 in denominator, and then how many numbers we have? 2. We will add 2 0 with that 1 and we will write 47, just 47. The value 0 has here, the point से पहले जो 0 है इसकी कोई value नहीं है, so you only have to write the number 47 here. So next we have the 3 over 1000. So how we will change it? Again with the jumping method. So how many jumps we have to take? 3. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, and instead of 1 we will put point here. So empty spaces where we will write 0 or then 0 here. So we are good with this table. Now the rest of the part will be done by yourself. And now move to question number 2. Convert into decimal places. How? This is mixed fraction. First we'll change into the improper fraction. How? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. So this is equal to 7 over 2. Now just have a look. पहले हमारे पास नीचे 1000, 100, 10 वो नंबर्स आ रहे थे. नाउ वी हैव अ नंबर 2. इसको कैसे डेसिमल में चेंज करते हैं? इसके लिए वी यूज डिवीजन मेथड. कैसे करेंगे इसको? 2 को बाहर और 7 को अंदर लिखेंगे जस्ट लाइक दिस, और आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 3s are 6, so we will put 6 here and 3 as our answer, and we will left with the remainder 1. अब हमारे पास ये दोबारा यही वाला सिनेरियो आ गया इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन का, बट हमें तो डेसिमल में चाहिए. फॉर दैट हम लोग एक पॉइंट लगा देंगे. दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज डेसिमल, और दिस पॉइंट गिव अस अ 0, यानी कि इस नंबर के साथ हमें एक 0 देता है. सो अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 10. सो 2 5s are 10. So we will put 10 and 5 as the answer. So 3.5 is our required answer. So its remaining parts will be done by yourself. So move to question number 3. It is so easy, you just have to remove the decimal places. As I told you before, we have to, instead of, we cut the decimal places and we put 1 instead of it. And how many digits we have after decimal places? 2, 0 and 1. So 2 zeros. So 1, 0, 1. So this is our required fraction. So part B. In part B, what we have to do, we will remove the decimal sign. We will put 1 in the denominator. And how many digits we have? 2 digits. We will put 0 instead of the 2 digits and we will write the number without the point decimal. So we are done with our question number 3. So now we will move to question number 4. This is similar to question number 2 but bit different. How? Let's see. 2000s are 2000 plus 5 over 1000. So next we will plus 5 with the 2000. We have 2005 over 1000. Now what we will do, as I told you in question number 1, we will use jumping method for these kind of values. How? How many zeros we have? 3 zeros. So we will write first our number, then we move, then we jump 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will place point instead of 1, or this point is known as decimal. So this will be 2.005, which is our required answer. So I hope आप सबको अपने पुराने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गए होंगे, सब कुछ याद आ गया होगा, और बाकी सब रिमेनिंग पार्ट आप सब खुद करेंगे और फ्राइडे को यू विल सेंड अस योर होमवर्क. थैंक यू.